Hello, gentlemen. Let's talk about something many men think about but rarely discuss openly. That feeling of lost confidence, the subtle worry that things aren't working down there the way they used to. What if I told you that one of the secrets to boosting circulation in that very important area could be sitting right in your kitchen, waiting to be part of your morning routine? My name is Mira, and as a urologist, I've had countless conversations with men just like you. Men who are vibrant, active, and full of life, but are privately concerned about their intimate health. One patient, a wonderful man named John, a retired teacher in his late 60s, sat in my office looking defeated. He told me, "Mira, I feel like a younger man trapped in an older man's body. My mind is willing, but my body, it's just not keeping up." He was worried about his relationship, his vitality, his very sense of self. His story is one I hear often, and it's the reason I'm so passionate about this topic. Boosting circulation for men over 60 isn't just a medical issue, it's about reclaiming a part of yourself. So, what is this morning miracle I'm talking about? It's not some expensive pill or a complicated regimen, it's a handful of walnuts. Yes, simple, humble walnuts. Now, before you click away thinking it's too simple to be true, let me explain the science, the why, behind this powerful little nut. Walnuts are a powerhouse of L-arginine. This is an amino acid that your body converts into nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as the master key for your blood vessels. It tells the smooth muscles in your vessel walls to relax, allowing them to widen and let more blood flow through. And when we talk about performance down there, what are we really talking about? It all comes down to robust blood flow. Are you still with me? If you are, type yes in the comments below so I know we're on the same page. Improving blood flow isn't just about one food, of course. It's about a lifestyle. But starting your day with a handful of walnuts is a powerful, tangible first step. For John, this was a game changer. He started adding a small bowl of walnuts to his morning oatmeal. He wasn't expecting an overnight miracle, but over a few weeks, he started to notice subtle changes, not just in the bedroom, but in his overall energy. He felt more alive. Why? Because good circulation benefits your entire body, from your brain to your heart to, yes, down there. This is what we're aiming for, a holistic improvement. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from today. I love seeing how far this community reaches. So, how do you incorporate this? It's easy. Sprinkle them on your yogurt or oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or just eat a handful while your coffee brews. The key is consistency. Make it a non-negotiable part of your morning. Now, let's talk about what else supports this. Hydration is critical. Water helps your blood flow smoothly. Think of your arteries as highways. Water is the free-flowing traffic. Dehydration is like a traffic jam. Also, a bit of morning movement, even a brisk 10-minute walk, gets your heart pumping and kickstarts that circulatory system for the day ahead. Doesn't that sound manageable? Let's be real. Many products online promise the world, preying on the insecurities that men over 50 face. They offer quick fixes that often come with a high price tag and a list of side effects. My approach is different. It's about empowering you with knowledge and sustainable habits. It's about understanding that your body has an incredible capacity to heal and improve when given the right fuel. Eating walnuts in the morning to boost circulation is just one piece of that puzzle. It's a cornerstone habit you can build upon. Comment with a 1 if you agree that sustainable, natural health is the best approach. Let's circle back to John. About 3 months later, he came back for a follow-up. The change was remarkable. He walked in with a smile, stood a little taller, and the look of defeat was gone. He said, "Mira, it wasn't just the walnuts. It was the decision to take control. That one small change gave me the confidence to start walking every day, to drink more water, to choose healthier foods. It started a ripple effect." This is the real magic. It's the psychological win of taking positive action for your health. I want you to imagine that for yourself. Waking up not with a sense of worry, but with a sense of purpose for your health. Knowing that the simple breakfast you're eating is actively working to improve your circulation, boost your energy, and restore your confidence. Imagine feeling more vital, more connected, and more in control of your body than you have in years. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a completely achievable reality. The journey to better circulation and renewed confidence for men over 60 starts with small, deliberate choices. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 30 days, start your morning with a handful of walnuts. That's it. Just one simple change. See how you feel. Notice the small shifts. And remember, you're not just eating nuts. You're investing in your vitality. You're sending a powerful message to your body that you are in the driver's seat of your health journey. If you found this conversation helpful and want to learn more practical, no-nonsense tips for men's health, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're building a community of men who are choosing to age with strength and confidence. Thank you so much for your time today. Be well, and I'll see you in the next video.